So I just wanted to show everyone some simple compost collection bins. You can purchase local ones, but I basically tell people to use what they have. So maybe you have a beef bucket that you use out in your garden, or an ice cream tub. I use a glass dish. I typically keep the cover off of it while it's in the house to allow air to circulate through, but I do have a cover. So if you do have a cover for any of these types of bins, just make sure you put holes in it to allow air to circulate through the bin. The biggest thing to remember with your collection bin inside, the larger it is, the more you will put into it, and therefore sometimes things can get a little sticky and messy very quickly because you're just piling on top. But if you have a reasonable sized bin, this is something that, you know, it can only fit so much, and you're probably more likely to dump it more frequently. So this would be a good size to use, or as we mentioned, similar to this bucket, but there are some larger ones that you can get if it is what you need for your family.